to the Merlion Lions by Fullerton Hotel. Oh wow, ayan na. May malapit na si Merlion. So it's very hot normally here in Singapore, but that's why the best time to see the Merlion is during the night time. Ganda talaga niya, oh. Wow. Iba talaga si Singapore. Small country pero napakaganda. Ganda niya sa gabi, oh. Well lighted. Easily a room there should be about $200 to $300, depends on the season. And you're surrounded by hotels, and this is in front of me is the Fullerton. It's very nice to walk around this place because of what you're seeing. Ayan. One Fullerton. Those are the other expensive hotels, the Mandarin, Pan Pacific, and the Ritz-Carlton. And that's the famous Ferris wheel. Puros mga restaurants yan. Maganda rin ang mall dyan. At may katabing casino. Okay, smile, cool. Yan. Give me a good smile. And Fullerton Hotel is on the left. Uy, mukhang we are not so lucky today. Mukhang nire-repair si Merlion, no? Yes, it's being repaired. Nire-repair ko lang, no? It's closed. Oh, wow. We're not lucky today, ah. Merlion is being repaired. Yes, ayan, no? Binalutan, no? Wow, sayang naman. Okay, so what we can just do is just look at the view. Well, we actually came here for the Merlion, but what can we do? It's being repaired. Ayan, no? Madilim.